5 hours, 17 degrees, 80 miles an hour. You do the math. Let's get some. Alright, it's about 17 degrees outside today. Got a 5-hour ride. It looks nice and sunny. So I've got on, first, warm gloves. I'm going to use trash bags underneath the warm glove as an extra insulated layer. I've got on my Tesla warm pants. I'm going to wear those joggers over these, and then my moto jeans. I've already got on this thermal layer and another one underneath. And then I'm going to put on my heated vest, and then that fleece, that warm layer, and then my rain jacket, and then my riding jacket. 7 layers on top, 3 layers on bottom. And for socks, I've already got 3 socks on this foot. I'm going to put those 2 over this one. My moto helmet, my little neck scarf. Let's see, the joys of riding. Seeing this is the technique. You get a KFC bag and you shove it under your glove. You do the same thing with this laundry bag. It's all about layers, alright? Layering. Alright, check the fit. Feel like the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man.
Well, you see I've got the ice warning. I had that yesterday all day riding too. That's nice. I don't know if that means that the bike's too cold or watch out for ice, or it means it's fucking cold out, but it is what it is. Let's get it. Alright, we're trucking along now. I found a technique to stay as least cold as possible. What I do is I make my left hand into a fist and I tuck it in my belly. And since I'm wearing so many layers, I'm so much fatter that now my arm is so thick and my belly is so thick, I can kind of rest my stomach on it. It's like I'm hatching an egg, trying to keep the egg warm. So in this position, I'm kind of tucked in lower behind the fairing, less wind. I'm gonna keep my left hand warm, which is going extremely numb because my hand started burning. They were so cold, the fingertips. And I'm keeping my body as tight as possible, my arms tucked in as close as possible, trying to keep as much heat as possible in. Now that's all good and dandy, but my toes, my other extremities are getting very cold. I'm wearing 3 pairs of socks, real thick ones. I think the next thing I might invest is some heated socks, and also maybe another thin thermal layer of gloves. And while I'm at it, YOLO and get some heated grips on the Kawasaki. That would be a next investment. So let's keep on trucking. 4.5 hours more of this. Let's go.
1 eternity later.
Alright, final push, 50 minutes. Fucking coldest fucking day of my fucking life. Sorry for cursing. Let's go, let's get some. We've made it to Austin, the fucking coldest day in the world. It was like almost 6 hours GPS, so that's more like 8 or 9 hours riding today. This freezing cold weather. God damn! Started off today, temperature 14 degrees Fahrenheit, which is way below freezing, with the real feel of 7 degrees standing, with the air, with the regular wind. Added going 70 miles an hour, it was like negative 20 all day, if that. God damn.